In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove time from a date in Excel. Open Excel, then open the workbook that contains the dates where a time is attached. In this sheet, the existing date and time values are in column C, and column E is the empty column beside the data where the clean dates will be created. Click cell E2, which is the first empty row under your new date column. Now type the formula carefully into that cell. Start with equals, then type INT, then an opening parenthesis, then C2, and then a closing parenthesis. The full formula is equals INT open parenthesis C2 close parenthesis. Press enter to apply it. Excel may show a plain number, such as 46,000, or it may show a date with the time still displaying as 12 a.m. That is expected at this stage. The INT function has removed the decimal part of the value, and in Excel date values, that decimal part is what stores the time. The display may still look unfinished only because the cell format has not been changed yet. Click cell E2 again to select the formula cell. Move your pointer to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This square is the fill handle. When the pointer changes into a thin black plus sign, double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the formula down the column, matching the rows of data beside it so each row gets its own clean date calculation. Now select the entire clean date column by clicking the column E header. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the number group, open the number format dropdown. It may currently show General or Custom. From that list, choose Short Date. Column E now displays the dates as regular short dates such as December 8th, 2025, without the time and without the 12 a.m. display. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The result is that your clean date column shows the date only. The original date and time values were real Excel date values, and the INT function returned only the whole number day portion. Short date formatting then displays that whole number as a plain date, with the time portion removed.